Did you know today is National Donut Day? But around here we call it National Do Not Do It Day. But listen, that sugar crash ain't no fun. It's not cute. That brain fog, not fun. That donut belly, not the holiday body we're looking for. So instead, I'm celebrating with this healthy pretzel donut. Mmm. Mmm. I even have a donut hole. And it's shaped like a donut in a donut hole, but without all of the guilt and regret. So, stay on your goals, keep your energy high, and remember, you're not missing out. You're leveling up. Now, go on your life like the warrior you are.